Hi Portland renters, today we're at 17116 Southwest Whitley Avenue. This townhome is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath townhouse with a single car garage. So when you first walk up, you see the exterior patio here. Super cute. As you can see. And as we walk in, to the left is the den area here, which can be used as an office space, playroom, anything like that. And then we have the garage there. And then as we head up to the main level of the townhouse, we have the kitchen. So you have the dishwasher there, gas stove, oven, microwave, refrigerator here. As you can see, there's plenty of cabinet space up above and drawer space below. And then you have your little dining nook area here. Has a little slider door here. You can actually park in the back of the home. My vehicle is there, so you have the 1-car garage and the driveway. A little bit more of the dining nook here. And then you have the half bath here. Super cute layout. And then we have the living room here. The home gets a lot of natural lighting, as you can see. And then you have the gas fireplace. And then you have the little deck here as well. And then as you head up to the second level of the home, this is where the bedrooms are located and the laundry. So washer dryer hookups are there. You have your first bedroom to the right here. This one faces the back of the home. So really, really great size. As you can see, a lot of natural lighting through those large windows. And then it has a walk-in closet. Really spacious walk-in closet. And then it has its own bath here. And this one has the shower tub combo. And as we walk down the hallway, you have the second bedroom here. It's really nice because you have the laundry room as a space between both of the rooms. And then you have the walk-in closet as well here. And then you have bathroom. So double sinks here. You have your toilet. And then same thing, you have the shower tub combo. There. The layout of the home is great. It is in a great location. It's very close to Nike and Teletronics as well. So if you work at any of those places, it'd be a great home, just because it is, you know, a short drive to work. And then we'll head out towards the front door. And there's a quick little mart behind the house. There's a Subway, dental office there. So super cute. And that is 17116 Southwest Whitley Avenue.